What began as a river of liquid steel will soon carry dozens of passengers without a driver. Every millimeter starts with astonishing precision. Within seconds, liquid steel transforms into solid structural billets. Rapid cooling locks in the strength needed for heavy-duty transport. Each billet is cut with millimeter accuracy before a single bus component exists. Precision begins long before assembly.
Controlled cooling prevents internal stress that could weaken the future chassis. Strength is engineered long before welding begins.
Fiber lasers carve every structural profile with micron-level accuracy. Clean edges reduce later welding distortion. Mounting holes are positioned within fractions of a millimeter. Even tiny deviations affect vehicle stability.
Gigantic fixtures lock every frame component into perfect alignment before permanent welding begins.
Hundreds of welds are completed by synchronized robots for repeatable structural integrity. Consistency is everything.
Every weld is measured for penetration, geometry, and consistency before production continues.
Crossmembers distribute passenger loads evenly across the vehicle. They form the backbone of the entire structure. Heat input is carefully controlled to prevent distortion across the full-length chassis. Thousands of measurements verify the frame remains perfectly square before surface treatment. Perfect paint adhesion starts with perfectly clean steel. Every trace of oil and dust disappears before corrosion protection begins. This invisible layer dramatically improves paint durability for years of service. Electric current deposits protective coating into every hidden cavity of the frame.
Controlled heat permanently bonds the protective coating to the steel.
Robotic spraying ensures identical coating thickness over every surface. Only after perfect curing can the frame support precision component installation. The skeleton is finally complete. Next, this empty structure begins transforming into an intelligent, autonomous electric bus. Before the bus can move silently, its electric heart must be carved from solid aluminum. Every housing begins as a heavy billet.
Micron-level machining creates perfectly aligned bearing seats. Even tiny imperfections reduce motor efficiency.
Every critical dimension is verified within microscopic tolerances before assembly is allowed to continue. Kilometers of copper wire are wound with incredible accuracy. This is where electrical energy becomes motion.
Vacuum impregnation protects the windings from vibration, heat, and moisture for years of operation. Controlled heat permanently bonds the insulating resin around every copper coil. Powerful permanent magnets are positioned with extreme precision to maximize efficiency and torque. Even a few grams of imbalance could create damaging vibration at high speed. The rotor and stator are united with microscopic clearances that determine motor performance. Every motor is tested before it ever reaches the bus assembly line. The battery enclosure must protect thousands of cells from impact, vibration, and water. Computer-controlled bending guarantees identical enclosure geometry every time. Continuous welds create a rigid enclosure designed to resist harsh road conditions. Even microscopic leaks are unacceptable for high-voltage battery protection.
Forging compresses the steel grain, producing exceptional strength for demanding road conditions.
Final machining ensures perfect alignment when the suspension is installed.
Geometry is checked before these components ever support vehicle weight.
For the first time, the empty chassis receives its electric propulsion system.
The suspension allows this future bus to carry heavy passenger loads while maintaining stability.
The foundation of movement is almost complete. Next comes the rolling chassis that finally brings this autonomous electric bus to life. Now the chassis receives the components that will carry its entire weight. Every mounting point must align perfectly. Each structural fastener is tightened to an exact digital specification. Consistency is critical for long-term durability. Before any wheel can rotate, every bearing receives carefully measured lubrication. Perfect hub alignment minimizes vibration throughout the vehicle's lifetime.
Massive electric buses still depend on precisely machined braking systems for absolute safety.
Every seal must withstand thousands of braking cycles without failure. The braking system is assembled before a single wheel ever touches the vehicle. Autonomous steering begins with exceptionally accurate mechanical engineering. This electric steering unit will eventually respond to autonomous driving commands with incredible precision. The steering mechanism finally joins the growing rolling chassis.
Air suspension helps keep passengers comfortable while supporting enormous vehicle weight.
Every sealed connection prevents pressure loss during daily operation. The onboard compressor constantly maintains suspension pressure while the vehicle is operating. Only after the braking system is complete can the wheels finally be installed.
For the first time, the massive vehicle can finally stand on its own wheels.
The once static frame has officially become a rolling platform ready for body construction. Now the passenger cabin begins taking shape from precision-cut structural tubing. Computer-controlled forming creates identical body structures with exceptional accuracy. Hundreds of robotic welds transform individual tubes into a rigid passenger safety structure.
Steeklers. Two separate engineering masterpieces are finally about to become one. The next stage transforms the rolling...
Months of precision engineering now depend on a single perfectly aligned operation. Even a millimeter of error is unacceptable. These structural fasteners permanently unite the body and chassis into a single rigid vehicle.
Thousands of measurements confirm the vehicle remains perfectly square after final assembly.
Thousands of battery cells are grouped into carefully engineered modules before entering the vehicle.
Each module is isolated and secured to improve both safety and serviceability.
Before installation, every battery pack must pass rigorous electrical and environmental testing. The heaviest single component is now installed beneath the passenger compartment. Every high-voltage connection is color-coded to prevent installation errors and simplify maintenance. Liquid cooling keeps both the battery and drive system operating within their ideal temperature range.
Even tiny coolant leaks could reduce efficiency, so every seal is carefully verified.
Hundreds of electrical circuits are organized long before the interior is installed. These distribution units safely manage power for every electrical system throughout the vehicle. Lightweight composite panels help reduce vehicle weight while improving energy efficiency. Large composite panels create a smooth, aerodynamic exterior while protecting the internal structure. Continuous sealing protects passengers and electronics from years of harsh weather.
The vehicle's distinctive front structure now becomes part of the growing bus. The rear structure completes the vehicle's exterior shell while protecting the electric drivetrain. Uniform panel gaps are a visible sign of world-class manufacturing precision. A flawless finish begins with an absolutely clean surface. The engineering is complete, but the transformation isn't. In the next stage, this machine receives final finish. The brilliant finish isn't complete until intense heat permanently bonds every paint layer to the body. Controlled cooling prevents microscopic paint stress and preserves the mirror-like finish. Temporary protection comes off, revealing the flawless exterior beneath. Large bonded windows improve structural rigidity while providing passengers with panoramic visibility.
Every passenger door must open and close flawlessly through hundreds of thousands of cycles.
Now the bus receives the sensing systems that allow it to perceive the world around it.
Each sensor is positioned within tiny alignment tolerances to build an accurate view of the surrounding environment.
Thousands of sensor measurements will be processed here every second to support autonomous operation. The passenger compartment finally begins taking shape from the floor upward. Sound insulation and lightweight materials improve both comfort and energy efficiency. Every seat is securely mounted to protect passengers throughout the vehicle's service life. Even autonomous buses retain sophisticated control systems for monitoring and emergency operation. Hardware alone isn't enough. Millions of lines of software now awaken every intelligent system. Every sensor must agree on the exact position of the surrounding world before autonomous operation is possible. For the very first time, the completed bus comes to life under its own electrical power. Hundreds of individual systems must perform flawlessly before the bus leaves the factory floor.
Artificial storms reveal leaks that would otherwise remain hidden until years later. Without leaving the factory, engineers can simulate demanding road conditions and verify vehicle performance.
Nothing escapes the final inspection, not even the smallest cosmetic imperfection. After thousands of precision manufacturing steps, the future of public transportation is finally ready to meet. Manufacturing is complete, but engineering validation has only just begun. Every system must now prove itself under real-world conditions. Acceleration testing verifies motor output, battery delivery, and drivetrain efficiency under full load. Controlled emergency stops verify braking balance, stability, and passenger safety.
Thousands of suspension movements reveal how the vehicle will perform after years of daily service.
Protected high-voltage systems continue operating even during demanding wet weather conditions.
Multiple sensing technologies continuously observe the environment to support automated driving functions.
Accurate docking helps passengers board safely and efficiently at every stop. Continuous monitoring confirms stable temperatures and efficient energy use during extended operation. Thousands of operating parameters are reviewed one final time before customer delivery. The final detailing process prepares the vehicle to leave the factory looking exactly as engineers intended. Each completed bus receives a unique production identity before beginning its journey to customers. From raw steel to intelligent transportation, every stage has been engineered with remarkable precision.
What began as molten steel has become one of the most advanced vehicles on the road. Behind every